Music isn't just a hobby for Maretta Brown, it's a lifeline.
What I think is the beauty of, songwriting is that connection that you have with others. And for me, the great reward is when someone, comes to me and, with a smile, or they say that made me teary, that really touched me.
The 19-year-old singer-songwriter has a rare genetic disorder called Wolfram syndrome, causing vision impairment.
I won't be able to see details of people's faces. A lot of it is based off memory or the voice, shape, sizes as well. So, and I struggle with colours, so like colour blindness as well.
This made schooling difficult, and she struggled to seek help.
I was a quiet kid, very shy, and not the type to speak about any of my problems or issues, particularly with my vision.
That's why she turned to music.
As a way to just find peace. For me, that's really what it's all about. I find a sense of calmness, peace whenever I'm writing, and it's also a way to express myself and things that I've been through, my story.
3 years ago, she found support through Blind Low Vision New Zealand, who helped her with daily living skills, advocacy, and employment.
Helping me to find acceptance with my vision and really using that as a strength for me to do what I love and keep, pursuing it, embracing it.
See you in Anaheim, California.
Next month, she'll be spreading that message of support on an international stage when she represents New Zealand at the Performing Arts World Champs in the US.
It's a wonderful opportunity and platform to inspire, those who do live with a disability and those who are low vision or, blind. If there's one thing that I've learnt, it is to not give up on things that you love. Hello, beautiful people. I'm Maretta Brown.
But for now, she's serving her community here as an ambassador for the Great Kiwi Bookathon, encouraging Kiwis to read throughout the month of June.
I do love reading. From a very young age, I didn't like it because as much, to be honest, purely because of my vision and the strain it had on my eyes.
The Bookathon's also raising much-needed funds for Blind Low Vision New Zealand,
so that we can help those future generations of, young people who are living with, blindness or who are low vision, deafblind as well.
Everything happens for a reason.
because if there's one thing Maretta knows well, it's that a helping hand goes a long way.
It's just the matter of being courageous to seek that help, to acknowledge and accept it, and we're in it together, and we can help one another, support, and just really uplift.
Behind you, so don't forget to